Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem when Windows is not detecting your STEELSERIES Rival 3 Gen 2. So, firstly, we should find the Bluetooth button. The Bluetooth button is here on the reverse of our mouse. As you can see, here is the Bluetooth device. And on our Windows, for example, we should firstly open, of course, settings, then open Bluetooth, click add device, and here we should, on this step, we should enable the Bluetooth mode. But if your mouse is connected to the different Bluetooth device, firstly you should press and hold CPI button, and then switch the Bluetooth, switch mode to Bluetooth. And here you will see Rival 3 mouse. But in case, I'll show you. In case if you don't hold in this button and enabling the Bluetooth mode, as you can see, it's not recognizable by computer. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video and bye. See you.